Okay guys, so let's go ahead and do number 5. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 5 of, oh gosh, I'm tired, of the independent practice from 8.4. I'm going to subtract these two expressions. So I have x minus 1 over x plus 5. I'm going to go ahead and factor here, and then I'm going to find the least common denominator. The way I do that, I see that x plus 5 appears in this denominator once, it appears here once, and so the greatest number of times that it appears is once. Here we have an x plus 1, it appears once, it doesn't appear in this denominator at all, so the greatest number of times that it appears is once. So I'm going to take these two expressions and I'm going to combine them. And the way I do that, now that I have my least common denominator, is I compare. I have an x plus 4 here, I have an x plus 5 here and x plus 5 here. What I'm missing is this x plus 1, so what can I do? Well, I can multiply the denominator by x plus 1, and at the same time, remember, I have to multiply the numerator by x plus 1, and so that means that this denominator now reflects this numerator, and so I can go ahead and combine that, or put it over the numerator, and then over here this whole entire thing is with the same denominator that the least common denominator is, and so I can just put a minus here, x plus 3. Okay, now what do? I'm going to go ahead and FOIL these two, so I get x squared plus, no, not plus, no, I FOIL pretty quickly, so I know that plus 1 and minus 1 is 0, so we have minus 1. I'm going to go ahead and distribute this negative x minus 3 over x plus 5 and x plus 1. So let's go ahead and look what I have in the numerator. Negative x minus 4 over x plus 5 and x plus 1. And I know that this numerator is not going to factor. It's not. The factor of 4, if I try, I already know it. So final answer is one that I have. Let's go ahead and put the restriction on it. That's the final answer. Good job, guys.